What is up, everyone? This is More Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up to the latest versions of the iOS devices as a beta tester on Apple. So it's going to be a very simple and easy, straightforward thing to do. This link that I will have it in the description below for you guys to basically go and do it. You can do it from your, I believe, Apple device, or just straight up from the browser if you want to. I think it's from your phone actually, because you have to download the profile. So if you're trying to be an iOS beta tester for some form of iOS device such as iPad, iPhone, etc. Basically go to this link. Sign in is going to just tell you to sign in, and it's going to tell you basically like what you can do, the guides, and etc. And these are the public betas. There's also private betas, which is for developers. I will make another video on how to do that, but we're doing public betas. So it tells you exactly how to get started, and you're gonna, after you sign in, you're gonna click into the Get Started page, and then it's gonna ask you to do a couple of stuff like archive, basically back up your data, make sure everything's good to go, all your personal and saved information is good, because again, there's a risk that everything could theoretically get deleted. So the next thing is you're gonna download a profile. So it tells you right here like how you can do it. There's the different betas, different configurations, and if you want to do it for iOS 14, you can basically download the profile. And it tells you like, hey, there's a website trying to download it. Do you want to do it? You say, okay. You basically pull back. And then in the settings, when you go here, you're going to see the thing called basically the profile itself on how to do it. And it then tells you configures your, iOS or Pad OS for the device for you using the betas. You can basically install this. You can delete it if you want to afterwards. So basically, if you want to remove it, it'll give you like all the gist of how it works, what needs to be done. There's obviously a restart that's required. I'm not going to do it for now. You press done, and you'll see in here that you have it now downloaded. Oh, sorry about that. And you have it basically over here. And essentially, you have the profile and configuration done. So whenever there's a beta update, whenever you go to software update, you'll see them here. And you can see that right there. There's a latest beta update for 0.5. I think 0.4 is available right now. And it tells you, hey, there's a beta available for this. If you want to kind of test it out, go for it. So it's actually pretty cool. Like I said, it's if you want to be doing the beta versions and you want to test them out and have the latest versions. Mostly people do it for like iOS 15, 16 when the next one comes out. The 0.1s and 2s, sometimes people do if they want to get the fix right away. Most people don't. But that's literally it. That's all you got to do. You don't got to be a developer to get the beta versions. You can always have access to these. Again, they will be glitchy. They might bug out your apps. A lot of stuff will happen, but it's completely up to you if you want to do it or not. And yeah, that's it. It's again, a simple, very easy, simple thing to do. I would highly recommend it. If you guys want to kind of always have the latest version, this is the best way to do it. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button. Helps a lot. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And that, More Tutorials out. Peace.